want to talk about that pattern or cleansing air. If you find it is necessary to hook up to the bottom of your gun and run pattern air or cleansing air to your gun and electrode, in order to control that air output, you will take this button here, the unit button, and hold it down for 3 seconds. It will give you an air readout that you can then adjust up or down. The preset on these controllers is 0.13. So if you do install this controller and you don't have an airline hooked up to that port on the back, it will shoot out air when you trigger the gun. If you want that air to stop, simply toggle down to 0. If you want to utilize that air and have that connection made to your gun, you will want a little bit of air, not a lot. I would recommend somewhere around 0.08. That way, when you do have this air output through your gun, it does not impact your pattern as much and is not as dominating, leaving the electrode and nozzle at the tip of your gun. Those are the connections made for 395 Proficy controller. Hope you guys have a great day.